We met at 9.
We met at 8.
I was on time.
No, you were late.
Ah, yes, I remember it well. We dined with friends.
We dined alone.
A tenor sang.
A belter.
Ah, yes, I remember it well. That dazzling April moon.
There was none that night. And the month was June.
That's right, that's right.
It warms my heart to know that you remember still the way you do.
Ah, yeah. I remember it well. How often I thought of that Monday night when we had our last rendezvous. And foolishly I wondered if by chance you might be thinking of me too. That carriage ride.
You walked me home.
You lost a glove.
I lost a comb.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I remember it well. The dazzling sky.
We had some rain.
Those Russian songs.
From sunny Spain.
Oh, yes, I remember it well. You wore a gown of gold.
I was all in blue.
Am I getting old?
Oh, no, not you.
How strong you were, how young and gay, a prince of love in every way. Ah, yes. I remember it well.